In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import leads into Monday CRM from another website. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Monday CRM like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go down to the menu and go down to leads down here. Then from here, you'll have an overview of all of your already existing leads. Then from here, right beside new lead, you can click this drop down menu and click import lead. Now from here, you need to make sure that your leads from the other website is in a CSV file, because you need to drag and drop it over to Monday CRM. Then from here, you need to match the columns and you need to handle the duplicates. And right after that, you'll have the import section where you can import all of your leads. And then from here, when you're done that, all of your leads will be generated and uploaded inside of your lead tab. That's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!